getting ripped tonight. R.I.P. that. I know we're a part. You're part of my heart. And tonight you belong to me.
Hello Moritz, it's Meme Kid and welcome back to another video. Today's video, we're out in Possum Kingdom, a really nice lake in Texas, and we got the crazy car here. So this is my cousin's lake house. It's pretty nice. It's Brooks'.
What's up, guys?
Oh yeah. So he forgot his pro scooter at home, so he's gonna have to ride the follow us with the Razor scooter.
Oh, my ankles don't break.
Yeah, so his ankles don't break. But y'all remember the video where Shepard crashed in the 20-mile-per-hour crash? That's where we're at. So we're got the crazy car here, and we're gonna just drive around and show you how it is, because this place is insane for drifting. If y'all want to see another video of this, I'll probably film too, just in case. But, let's go. All right, y'all. Oh wait, let me go grab my phone. Let's get the phone mount. So we're gonna turn the speedometer up to see how fast we're actually going, because I don't want to be lying to y'all saying I was going 300 miles per hour when I was only going like 12. All right, Brooks, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Super fast. So last night we were testing it out. It's pretty fast. So Brooks, you wanna go first?
Yeah.
So Brooks is gonna go first. So basically, I'm not gonna go full speed at first. I'm gonna get scared. Okay, go Brooks. Just. He's gonna press on the brakes because this can get fast and it's hard to turn. So let's go. I'm not gonna go full speed. Right there, Brooks. Okay, I hit 15 miles per hour and I barely pressed the gas. Let's go again. Okay, so we hit 15 miles per hour last run and I barely hit the gas. So I want to be careful here because I don't want the chain to pop off. But yeah, bro, I hit 15 miles per hour. Yeah, that car's nice.
Okay, I'm gonna go there.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try to hit 16 on this. Let's go. Woohoo! Come on! Ah! I only hit 15. I need to get more speed. Ah! do that. I'm gonna do that right now. Let's go. Yahoo! That's pretty fast. That's not as fast as that one, but that was still pretty fast. Oh guys, before we go down this ramp, just look at this view. Like, we're gonna be on that today with the boat. But so I think the problem is I'm not pressing on the gas the whole way. So I think I can hit 16 if I just push on that gas the whole time. But I have to be careful because I don't want bad things to happen. All right, Brooks, let me go first. Come on! 15, I heard something.
15?
I heard it like start clanking so hard.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think if I like even get to 16, something's bad's gonna happen. Cause it's not meant to go that fast.
Let's do more drifting around the parking lot.
All right, let's go. There's my mom. Mom. We're gonna do something crazy. Look at it. Oh wait, wrong hand. We're gonna go down there. Look up. We went 15 miles per hour.
There's a truck behind you.
No, it's not.
Just be very careful, Gavin.
Okay, look, Mom. Look at this real fast, okay? Wow!
Scary.
I lost grip.
You need to be careful.
I had no grip on this. I need new wheels.
It's not good.
Or bigger wheels. All right, let's go, Brooks. Whoa. Yeah, these like what? All right, y'all, watch this. Hello. Whoa. Sorry. Oh, we almost died. Bro, I almost crashed so hard. I didn't see that there was a guy there. I thought there was no one there. It felt bad. All right, y'all. Hope y'all like that video. I know it was kind of short, but if y'all want to see more videos of drifting at PK, I hate it with y'all. But we're signing off for now. Goodbye.
I used to rule the meme. Tape of fades when I hopped on stream. Now every comment I get read.